Welcome to Bizplay. In this video, I will show you how to schedule playlist in channels. From the dashboard, open the Playlists and Channels panel. Click on Add to add a new channel, rename it to whatever you'd like, and click on Edit. Simply start dragging a playlist into your channel. A channel has various settings. You can specify the playback time for each playlist that you add. We'll let this video play continuously, valid as of today. Now let's add another playlist by dragging the coffees playlist to our channel. If you are, for example, a bar, maybe you only offer coffee during the day. Therefore, we will set the playback time on incidentally. Now it will show us another set of settings. You can configure which days the playlist should be active. For instance, exclude Mondays if you're closed and include weekends if desired. Additionally, you can define both the start and end times for playback. We'll set the playback time from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hover over the time, click to edit, start typing, and press Tab to switch to the end time. Now click the check icon to save these settings to the channel. Now let's add the lunch menu by dragging it into the channel. Again, we'll set the playback time on incidentally and configure this playlist to play only during the hours when the lunch menu should be active. We'll set the playback time between 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. and then save this to the channel. Now do the same for the happy hour menu. Drag it to the channel. Then set the playback time manually. Configure it to play on Fridays and Saturdays. Set the playback time on repeat, starting at 7 p.m. and have it repeat 5 times. After saving, you'll notice that some playlists appear in orange. When a playlist is orange, it means it's included in the channel but not currently playing. When a playlist is green, it means it's actively playing at that moment.